Welcome to the Pastimes Digital Media Production Curriculum. In this lesson you will explore how you can add visuals to your audio material and make your audio interview more attractive to your audience. After this lesson you should be able to download, install and use OpenShot Video Editor for producing high quality visualized audio content. Adding visual elements to your audio content will greatly improve the availability of distributing platforms for your material. At the time of the interview, take some pictures or ask someone else to do so before you start recording your audio session. Adding just a simple picture will make your audio content more relevant. To do this, you need to install this open source video editing software program OpenShot Video Editor. You can download this application through the following link. Install the software, and when the installation process is finished, open the OpenShot Video Editor by double-clicking on the corresponding icon. When the editor is opened, you select your audio file and photo files and drag and drop them to the Project Files window folder, which is located in the Video Editor folder. Next, drag each photo onto the timeline as seen in the illustration. The timeline represents your final video, so arrange your photos in whatever sequence you want them to appear in on your video. If you overlap two clips, OpenShot will automatically create a smooth fade between them, displayed by blue rounded rectangles between the clips. Remember, you can rearrange the photos as many times as needed by simply dragging and dropping them. If you have only one picture, follow the same process. Click on the audio file and drag it onto your timeline. If the audio material is longer than your photos arrangement in the timeline, you can easily extend the duration that the photos will be displayed on the screen by grabbing the right edge of your photo and resizing it to stay longer in the screen. To prevent what your video looks and sounds like, click the play button under the preview window. You can also pause, rewind and fast forward your video project by clicking the corresponding buttons. Once you are happy with your photo slideshow video, the next step is to export it. This will convert your OpenShot project into a single video file which will work on most media players such as VLC or websites such as YouTube and Vimeo. Click on the Export Video icon at the top of the screen or use the File Export Video menu. Choose from one of the many presented export options and then click the Export Video button. Congratulations, you have just completed this short video learning lesson that outlines the process of adding visual elements to your audio material. If you would like to join more lessons, please visit the project website at pastimes.eu.